Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question that cancel this 5 by using 5 is equal to 200 divide 20. Okay, so now 200 divide 20 is equal to 10. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay, so now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, P-E-M DAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so here is division and here is multiplication. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. Okay, so is equal to 200. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 200 as it is same, C means change this sign from division to multiplication, and F means flip this last fraction. 20 upon 5 is equal to 5 upon 20 multiply 5. Now 20 divided by 200 is equal to 10. Okay, so now here is multiplication and here is multiplication. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this multiplication. Okay, so 10 multiply 5 is equal to 50 multiply 5. So now 50 multiply 5 is 250. Okay, so the correct answer is 250. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.